Welcome to my channel. Whether you're a first-time entrepreneur or someone looking to refine your business strategy, this video is designed to provide you with a step-by-step approach to crafting an effective business plan. Let's get started. Before diving into the specifics, let's understand what a business plan is and why it's crucial for your entrepreneurial journey. A business plan serves as a roadmap for your business, outlining your goals, strategies, market analysis, and financial projections. It not only helps you clarify your vision but also attracts investors, secures financing, and guides your decision-making. Now, let's explore the essential steps to create a robust business plan. Number 1. Write a compelling executive summary. This is the first page of your business plan. Think of it as your elevator pitch. This concise section provides a mission statement, an overview of your business plan, highlighting your unique value proposition, target market, and financial projections. It's crucial to make it engaging and captivating to grab the reader's attention. However, even the executive summary is the first thing your investors will read. It can be easier to write it last. That way, you can highlight information you've identified while writing other sections that go into more detail. One great tip to make your executive summary more readable is to use bullet points. Number 2. Describe your company. This section delves into the details of your business. Provide your business's registered name, physical location, history, and names of key people in the business. Also define your business structure, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, a limited liability company, or corporation. It would be better if include the percent ownership each owner and board members in the company. Number 3. Conduct market research. Define your objective, provide an industry outlook, analyze target market, calculate market value, competitors analysis, identify barriers, and know the regulations. Identify your ideal customer profile, competition, and market size. If applicable, conduct SWOT analysis and 7 Ps. This information will help you understand your market better and tailor your strategies accordingly. Number 4. Outline your products or services. Provide a detailed description of what you offer. Highlight the features, benefits, and pricing. Explain how your products or services meet the needs of your target market and differentiate from competitors. Number 5. Develop your marketing and sales strategy. Explain your marketing channels, such as digital marketing, social media, advertising, or partnerships. Define your sales approach, pricing strategy, and distribution channels. Showcase how you plan to reach and engage your target customers. Number 6. Create an operational plan. Explain how your business will function on a day-to-day basis. Describe your team structure, key roles, and responsibilities. Discuss your suppliers, production processes, and any necessary permits or licenses. Address operational challenges and how you plan to overcome them. Number 7. Prepare financial projections. Estimate your startup costs, revenue forecasts, and expenses. Create a detailed financial plan that includes a profit and loss statement, cash flow projections, and a balance sheet. This section demonstrates the financial viability and potential profitability of your business. Number 8. Identify funding and investment opportunities. Determine how much funding you need to start and operate your business. Explore various funding options, such as loans, grants, or seeking investors. Present a clear plan on how you will use the funds and the potential returns for investors. Number 9. Create an implementation plan and timeline. Outline the actionable steps required to launch and grow your business. Set specific goals, milestones, and timelines to track progress. This section helps you stay organized and focused on achieving your objectives. Number 10. Make a business exit plan. An exit plan is the roadmap that addresses all aspects of transitioning your privately owned business when you are ready to sell, retire, or transition the business to someone else. Examples of popular business exit plans are initial public offering, mergers and acquisitions, selling your control, buyouts, and liquidation. At last, don't forget to review and refine your business plan. Alright. That's all for today's video. Remember, a well-crafted business plan is a key tool for success in entrepreneurship. Take the time to research, analyze, and refine your plan, ensuring it aligns with your goals and market realities. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Best of luck in your entrepreneurial journey.